Wanted to go over tractor toolboxes today. This is what we keep in stock at Sloan Express. So we'll start with just what we call our light duty toolboxes, just a simple toolbox you can mount on your tractors. This has the regular latch, open base. There's no tray or anything in here, so it's just an open toolbox. Has the ability to lock it if you need to, or put a bolt in if you don't want the lid to come up. Available in green and red. These are both same toolboxes, come with all the hardware to mount, along with your brackets. Then we've got a heavier duty toolbox over here, which has the tread right lid on it. This is actually even strong enough to even where you can stand on it. If you mount it in a spot and you want to stand on it, you can do that. But also inside has a rubber mat. Can't see it. It's glued down. No, it's glued down. And these are the brackets, both the brackets for suspending it, a little bit of hardware that you use as well to install it. Like I said, both of these products are in stock and ready to ship. If you have any other questions on it, you can call us at 800-934-9777 or check it out on sloanex.com.